Hello, in front of me I've got ASUS ROG Spatha 10. In this video I'll show you how to check firmware version and update of your device. In the beginning, make sure that your mouse is connected with your PC and go to Armory Crate app. Enter Devices, select your mouse, and if there's any update available, you'll get this notification. Also, you can go to check for updates. In order to do it, go to Settings and Update Center. Here you can check updates for your devices from ASUS. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.